Damn.
Hi guys, this is your girl Zilani. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to install this beautiful unit that I bought from Dulce Looks. So this is how the packaging comes in. It's just a cute little black box with gold detailing of DL. So when you open the box up, this is the lovely bob unit that you get. Okay, as you can see, it's a very lovely one. So I'll just take my brush there and just brush off the hairs nicely in place. Okay, and then as you can see here, the only bummer here is that usually when I buy my wigs from them, they are machine made, but for some weird reason this one is handmade. As you can see there, that this is handmade instead of machine made. And I didn't even mention that when buying it, that this is actually handmade instead of machine made. So yeah, I guess that teaches me that next time I need to just check what's in the box before I just accept my parcel and leave the store. So apart from that, I still love the quality of the hair. They're still giving us the lovely quality of the hair. So I'm going to go right ahead and cut off the excess lace in front there. Okay, I'll just grab my pair of scissors. Okay. Okay, that's me cutting off the front excess lace before we install the unit. So all the hair is actually Peruvian and not Brazilian. So that's the excess lace that I've just cut out now. And this is how it looks. Okay, let's see if I need to cut off more. No, I think we're cool there. Okay. So I'll just start by wearing my wig cap. Okay, that's my wig cap. I'll go ahead and put on. Okay, I usually just put my wig cap in the middle of the head and not right in front, because for some reason I believe that if you put the wig cap on your edges, then it also somehow does mess up your edges. It does put pressure on your edges. So that's why I usually just put it push it to the middle of my head. So wig cap is on. Okay, and then yes, it doesn't roll back during the course of the day. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and just put on my wig cap. Okay, nice thing is that at least they gave us straps to secure the wig, but there are no combs to actually secure the wig. So we're just going to use the straps that they have been provided to secure the wig. Okay, and then make sure that it's securely adjusted at the back. So I'm actually going to use my hot comb in order to make sure that the top part is nicely laid flat. And then I'm also going to use my ghost glue to lay it down. Okay. Okay, this is the ghost glue that I'm using. Okay, I'll just use that just to open it up. So this is my wig stick that I bought from Take a Lot. I'm just going to use it just so that it tames away the flyaways. Not a lot as well, because yeah, I've noticed if you use a lot then it doesn't look that nice. So I'm just going to use a bit. make sure. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell just so that you are notified in the case where I upload a new video. Thank you.